Hi there guys, I'm coming at you with another video, and in this video I have received my scoops from Enailcouture, and I wanted to unbox it or open it on camera simply because there was a lady and I saw her video that she ordered 3 scoops from Enailcouture and she only received 1, and she was having issues with them sending her the other 2 that she paid for. She paid for $60 of scoops and she only received 1 scoop. And she said that they were kind of blowing her off. So I was kind of nervous about getting mine, even though I ordered one $20 scoop and 2 $10 scoops. But when I picked up the box, I was pretty satisfied. And then I just wanted to open it on camera just for recording purposes to see exactly what I got. And I will say, guys, the 2 pink and white polka dots, those are the 2 $10 scoops that I ordered. And the rest is the $20 scoop. As you can see, the 1, 2, 3 go. I ordered 2 of those and 1 scoop. So I'm going to get ready to see what all I've got in this box. And I am going to have to sit it on the floor because I have a limited amount of space. And so here we go. Let's see. I'm not going to show everything, but I did get the 24 karat coffins and the XXL 24 karat coffins. I do not have any of those of the 24 karat, and I did get those, the red ones, the sugar glitter ones, and some more of the 24K coffins, and the mini stilettos, and the pipe nails. I think I got 2 of the pipe nails. And I'm not going to show all of the nails that I got, but I'm going to tell you something, guys. I was really satisfied with my order. Here are the 1, 2, 3 go party nails. And I'm probably going to find someone to give those to. I doubt if I'll wear them. But I did get a lot of nails. You know, the $10 scoops have 5 packs each in them of nails. And you don't know what you're going to get. But I was so happy that I got all of these nails. Very happy. And so that's mostly what I got, and I'm going to have to put this back down in the box because I was running out of room to put this in. And so now here are the foils that I received. And I was glad to get those because I love foils. I do love foils. So I was very glad to get the packs of foils that I did receive. I think I got 5 packs, 5 or 6. But I was so excited about that. And I got some Luxe brush wipes. I got a Dappin dish, which I bought a couple of them before years ago. And I got some polish. It's like a grayish color polish. And I was happy to get that. I love their bottles that they put them in. And I was so happy to get this. This is like a glitter. And I can use the glitter on top of the other one. And I was so happy to get that. So guys, I'm very satisfied. I got some stickers. And those with the skulls, I doubt if I'll be using those. But those I might use. But I mean, I'm very well pleased. And I did get some bubblegum gel. I'm very well pleased with my order. I am so happy. I did get some Happy Gel Milky Way. And most of the stuff that you see are stuff that I've watched so many other videos. The Crystal Clear Happy Gel. And you see some of the same things that other people have gotten. And mine was pretty much the same. But I'm very well pleased with my order. And I still do feel sorry for the lady that did not receive her full order, because if you know, she paid $60, guys, and she only got $20 worth of product. And I'm hoping that maybe Max will make it right. I'm not sure if he even knows about it, because I know he has people in place to take care of stuff like that, so he doesn't probably have to deal with it. But I'm hoping they'll make it right for her, because I hate to see anyone lose their money. And Enailcouture is such a big company. You know, I mean, it's Enailcouture is not hurting for anything. So I'm hoping that they will make it right for her order before these scoops run out, because I felt so bad for her. My heart went out to her because I know she was hurting. And I am going to leave a link to her video down below. And I would like for, in the description box, and I would like for you guys to leave a comment about what you really think about her video once you watch it. Come back and leave a comment under my video. And also, if you want to, leave a comment under hers. A lot of people were telling her that they know that she only got one scoop and she paid for 3. She has the invoice where it says 3. And maybe I'm hoping, you know, that maybe somebody just made a mistake at Enailcouture. But even mistakes need to be rectified when you're dealing with other people's money. So, you know, if you own a business, be careful, you know, what you do and how you treat people. Well, guys, that's the video. And I hope you enjoyed my scoop. Didn't take me long to show it, because I didn't show all the nails that I got, because mine is pretty much like everyone else's. We're all getting the same stuff. So, guys, I appreciate you watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to like this video. All right. Bye-bye. Until next time, guys.